Hi, Anthony from Retail Edge. In Retail Edge version 8.2.86, we introduced a brand new customer rewards program. This feature will allow you to instantly issue loyalty dollars for your customers, provided them with a great incentive to revisit your store. With it being a discount rule-based rewards program, it eliminates the process of having to batch out like the current loyalty dollars program. To create your customer rewards program, select the inventory menu option, select discount rules, and then select edit. Next, hit the add button. Just like other discount rules, you have to give it a name and a description. In the applies to drop box, go ahead, hit the drop down, and select customer and inventory lists. In the discount rule type dropdown, go ahead and select Customer Rewards Program. For the start and end dates, this is how you would control when you want Retail Edge to look for qualifying sales for the rewards program. In this example, I am looking to issue going forward into the future, so I'll select 2099 for the end date. Next, I'm going to select Rule Settings. This is where you'll set how the rewards will work. The after X amount purchased is the threshold your customers would have to hit and exceed to see the reward. The issue Y new loyalty dollars will be the reward that the customers would be able to redeem for their next purchase after exceeding the threshold. So say I place $100 as the X amount purchased. Then I'll put $10 in the Y new loyalty dollars. If my customer spends $100, Retail Edge will give them $10 to use on their next purchase. It is important to note that another deviation from how this new customer rewards program differentiates from the loyalty program is that there is no concept of carryover. Once the customer exceeds the threshold, they will receive a portion of their purchases in loyalty. Likewise, Retail Edge will update the date and time of the purchase to prevent the reissuing of loyalty dollars to this customer for sales that were already rewarded loyalty. So in the example above, if the customer comes back in and spends $50 on a qualifying sale, they will receive $0 in rewards, but if they spend another $50 in another future visit, they will receive the $10. Next, let's define what the qualifying sales would be. They exclude discounts greater than or equal to Z%. Here you can control giveaway customer rewards for the product discounted greater than or equal to a certain percentage. So let's say you would like to only issue rewards if the discounts were under 30%. You will put 30% in this field. Next, let's select location settings. If you're a multi-location business, you can control which locations you would like to participate in the customer rewards program. I'm going to leave this as all locations are selected. Next, select Filter Settings. Here's where we can drill down some more on who or what type of sales would qualify for a rewards program. Select Set Filter. Instead of talking about each filter, I'm going to go over the common ones used and maybe some particular use cases. The Payment Filter. Here you can control if certain payment methods would be included to count towards issuing rewards. The common one we see excluded is loyalty dollars. Being many retailers do not wish to issue additional loyalty dollars when someone is using loyalty dollars to pay. So I'm going to uncheck loyalty dollars and add the filter. Next, let's talk about a use case. Let's say I only want to issue loyalty dollars for certain items, or I want to exclude some items from qualifying. This really depends on how you have structured your data, but here are the common ones we have seen. If I want to exclude items from a particular department, you can select Department and uncheck the department or departments that you would like to exclude. Likewise, you can also do the same with Class. You could also do the same using a custom user field, Inventory, to tag qualifying items, or if you include not then the tag, to exclude the items. So let's say in this example, I predefined in my inventory in custom user 1, and I put in an exclude tag in there. So if I want to exclude those, I'd put not exclude and add that filter. Let's further explore this use case and say that I would like to only include certain customers of mine. Well, I'm a big fan of the custom user fields. So let's say custom user 2 for customers. I tagged some customers with loyal. So I'm going to go ahead, add that to my filter list. And that would only issue the loyalty dollars to the customers who have the word loyal in their custom user 2 field. Just to clarify, if you wish for all customers to receive loyalty dollars, do not include any filters for customers. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK here. And I'm going to hit save. Now let's see the rewards program in action. On a sales screen, go ahead and load in a customer and an item or items. And we're going to complete this transaction. So I'm going to go to payment, exact amount, and Visa. Say no to that. And then we get this information window letting you know that Retail Edge issued $10 on a sale of $100. Now some other things to point out. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Customer Manager and locate my customer. There's some new tabs at the bottom. So I'm going to select Loyalty, turn on the detail. Here you can see all the activities that took place for this customer. And there we have it, creating and implementing the new customer rewards program. If you like the information we're putting up, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, hit that as well. If you'd like more information about Retail Edge, please visit us at retailedge.com. Have a great day.